Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now just a quick update. I'm gonna show you guys the lettuce. So I planted this lettuce before the storm. They're not damaged. They should be growing thicker, but because they're not getting any sunlight, they haven't moved as yet, but they're looking good, guys. This area need grass. I want to grass this area because lettuce is supposed to be grass, but I want the storm to be over. Then I get some sunlight, then I can chop those grass and put it through here. So the lettuce are thriving, unlike these. Oh God. So that's the lettuce. And these cabbage are rolling funny. Some right there hasn't formed head as yet. And then these ones form head, smaller head. And then I have some over here that is bigger. It is bigger also, like these ones, but I can't get to spray because of the heavy rain and such. And it make no sense to spray it and then rain come and wash it off. That is pointless. Anyway guys, see you in the next video.